Hi, welcome to Sandy's Reiki Care. Hope you all are fine. Friends, many a times we come across the word self-esteem. Now, what does it mean? Self is the tool to connect to the external as well as internal environment. The value we put to ourselves is an important factor in determining the course of our lives. An individual's self-esteem plays a vital role in not only the way they see themselves, but also in the way they perceive where and how one fits into the world. But the hardcore fact is that every single human being is different in this world and they possess their own strengths and weaknesses, some unique qualities which makes them the persons they are, isn't it? Friends, the question that needs to be addressed is what can be done on regular basis to improve self-esteem. I'm going to share small things you can do on regular basis to improve your self-esteem. I often share these tips with my students. But before I start, just take a second and subscribe to my channel, that is Sandy's Reiki Care. I share such thought-provoking videos here. So the first way is your choices in life are in your hand. People with low self-esteem quite often feel that they have little choices in their lives and about how they feel. The solution to this is grabbing as many choices as possible and follow them through and through. The more one feels that one can control choices in life, more confident they become. Second way is practice good personal hygiene. Yes, friends, very important. A regular shower, decent clothing, and proper grooming can work wonders and has an immense impact on mental well-being. Self-care suffers when a person feels that he or she is contributing to nothing, thereby making him or her feel low and depressed. This builds up negative feelings of their self-worth. So when one enhances their self-image over time, it builds their self-worth. Third is no negative self-talk. Negative self-talk should be pushed away the moment it comes in the mind. The quality of an individual's present thoughts about themselves affect their overall outlook on who they are. So what you can do, make a list of your positive sides. You can take help of your family and friends and read that list every day. This will surely overpower your negative self-talk and slowly boost your self-esteem. Fourth is set reasonable goals which can be accomplished. Goal setting helps a person to work towards and achieve greater things in life. Maintain a record for goal setting and keep a track of what has been accomplished and how you succeeded in your journey. When we do this, it helps us to prove our worth to a doubtful mind. Very soon, friends, I'm going to make a video on goal setting, which will definitely help everyone. Fifth way is find positives, even if you make a mistake. It is natural for every one of us to make mistakes. But when one suffers from self-esteem, then one is likely to blame oneself for that mistake. So always remind yourself. There's a saying, if you've heard, every dark cloud has a silver lining. So mistakes and failures do not mean the end of the world. Rather, this ending will pave a way towards a new beginning. So don't get disheartened. Sixth way is practice stress management. Now, to manage and maintain balance in life, it is highly essential to engage in some of the other stress relieving activities and enjoy quiet me time. That is the time you can introspect on what all things you want to achieve. Seventh way is to exercise regularly. Exercise plays a very important role in maintaining a healthy mind and body. It will make you feel strong physically and magnify your mental strength, which will enhance your self-esteem. Eighth way is maintain a balanced diet. It has been observed by that people with low self-esteem often indulge in eating unhealthy junk food as they are likely to feel that they do not deserve much care. But when one has a balanced diet on a regular basis, it lowers the effects of stress and depression and level up one's perception of themselves. It definitely works. Ninth way is accomplish tasks you may be putting off. When you complete your tasks on time, as decided, it will reduce your irritation and stress, and also you will raise your self-esteem. You feel proud that you're able to do the work on time. 10th way is follow healthy sleep schedule. Nowadays, most of the people are avoiding the sleep patterns. They're so busy working on laptops and mobiles even late at night. Friends, the brain produces essential mood balancing chemicals in the deeper cycles of sleep. So 7-8 hours of sleep is a real need. This way, brain functions better and improves one's attitude. This reduces stress and worries. So I hope these steps will help you bring about a change in determining the course of your life. So friend, be the master of your life. I hope you have enjoyed listening to this insightful video, and these tips I guarantee will help you raise your self-worth on your journey towards holistic lifestyle. Do share the tips with your family and friends. They will thank you. But don't forget to subscribe. Thanks and bye for now. Stay blessed.